What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a gaming keyboard, guys. I'm excited for this thing, and it has pretty cool features I need to talk to you guys about, and it's actually really cheap in Amazon. It's not that expensive. It looks like it's an $100 keyboard, but it's not, guys. You can find it down on Amazon. I'll link it down below in the description. If you guys are interested in buying it, make sure you go check it out. It's really awesome, guys. I just came across it through Amazon, and I was like, damn, this thing looks amazing. And I saw some reviews and it had like almost 5 stars, no bad reviews. It looks pretty good. So we're gonna try it out here in the headquarters. We're gonna try to see if it's good. We're gonna see what kind of different modes it has, what kind of colors. Everything's gonna be tried out here in this video, guys. So stay tuned for later on in the video. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna plug it into my computer, see how it works, and I'm excited for this, guys. And I've always wanted a gaming keyboard. I just have the normal one that comes with a computer, which is it doesn't feel that comfortable to type with. This one's awesome. It's for gaming, and you can have a better typing speed with this kind of keyboard because basically the keypads stick out like an inch further than regular keyboards. That helps you pretty much in typing speed. So we're about to read the specifications. We're gonna unbox it and try it out like the usual gun reviews. We open the gun, we read the specifications, we try it outside. But in this case, we have a gaming keyboard, which we're gonna try on my computer, and I'll screen record the computer screen so we can see how cool it is and everything. And we'll rate it at the end of the video, see how good it actually is. So let's read the specifications up in the front. We have water resistant, we have multi-function, I don't know what that means, and we have a USB 2.0, which is what we use to connect it to their computer. So guys, this keyboard is not Bluetooth. It would be freaking awesome if it was, but it's not. It has a USB 2 tip, which is it's basically like a charger. You connect it to your computer, and bam, and it runs out of there and it takes electricity out of your PC to basically have lights on it. And it is multicolor, as it says right here, which is a pretty cool function. The most impressive function on this keyboard is probably the water resistant. I never heard of a water resistant keyboard, and I don't have much experience like gaming keyboards. I don't really do gaming that much, so I don't know if it's a common thing on gaming keyboards or regular keyboards. I don't know how you make it water resistant. We'll find out. But we can see it says passion for gaming here, and then we have it in Chinese form as well. And you can see the shipping label right here, which means I ordered it on Amazon. Okay, here's the proof. I ordered it on Amazon. Sorry, I don't know why it all looks really burned, or whatever. I think it toasted. So we're gonna look at the back, see what it says as well. So it does come with a 2-year warranty, which is pretty impressive, and it says 24-hour service. So in case if it breaks, the manufacturer calls 24 hours, so you can basically call them any time of night or any time of the day and tell them that your keyboard's failing. You send it down to them and get it repaired. Really simple. And so as long as it's under the 2-year warranty, which is pretty good. I know. So if it breaks under the 2-year warranty, you could fix it, or they will send you a replacement. That's pretty cool. And we have the languages here. We have it in United Kingdom language and United States, which says professional gaming keyboard, colorful laminated keyboard, 104 standard keyboard, high quality floating keyboard, easy to operate. So the material says ABS, I don't know why, and the cable is 1.7 meters. So that's pretty long cable. 1.7 meters, that's pretty long. That's how long the cable for the keyboard is. So you could stretch it out pretty good. And it says working voltage 5 kilowatts, which is not that much energy that it needs. And lifetime 60 million times. 60 million times, guys. That's the lifetime of this keyboard, which is, it basically survived more than you, I think. So it's what have we all been waiting for, the unboxing part. Let's open it up. So here's the tab to open it up. Over here, you just slide the cover down, like this, unfold it like this, and then you stick it out. So you can see here's the wrapper. Okay, got to put the box on the side. So here is its baggie compartment. Packaging kind of looks kind of cheap actually, but so here are the scissors. We're gonna open it up. Wait, is that like just open it up. It's really satisfying. Boom, guys, here it is. Holy shoot, the keypad are freaking sticking out like 2 inches. That is the key to faster typing and better gaming experience, guys. A keyboard that doesn't have that is pretty much a simple keyboard. And I like the logo over here. It has like an eagle type of bird, I think, and it says NPET over here. And I think that's the brand of the keyboard. So, where's the cable at? Put that to the side. So, I think the cable is over here in the back, actually. Yes, here is the cable, guys. 1.7 meters long. Pretty impressive, actually. We're gonna unwrap it. So guys, this is what I was talking about. A USB 2.0 tip, which feels pretty, has a weird shape. You can see that there's like little curves on it. It looks like a gaming type of USB port. So it looks pretty cool. I like the design on here they made. It looks like an octagon kind of shape. So you basically connect this to your computer and that's it. No need of Bluetooth connected or anything. Pretty impressive, actually. I like that. And we have these thingies over here to open it up, which is pretty common on keyboards. And then we have these rubber stops right here, which makes your keyboard not slide. And one thing I noticed on this keyboard is it's made of material that I've never seen on a keyboard. Well, I don't have much experience with keyboards, but I've never seen this on keyboards. They're usually plastic from the back to the front. This is made out of metal material, I think. That's probably why it's water resistant, guys. Look at the screws and everything. It looks pretty, it looks like it's made of good material. And it came with some accessories I saw when I opened the box, and here it is, which I think is to take out keypads and replace them with other keypads, or if you want to take them out and fix them, clean the keyboard, these accessories are what you want to need, which is pretty useful. And now it's time to actually try it out and see how good it is.